Ako po si Paulo Diet, Sable Operator ng RCC Baspi. Nag-run po yung machine ng 6 days na may total of 17 meters. Printer head clean. Nozzle check. Punas ng wiper at capping after head clean. Ink system ay tama lang. Race tank. EVR naka 220 volts. Inks namin, ito po yung used and ito po yung unused. And yung sub-reroll. Consumable monitoring ng cyan, magenta, yellow, black, and sub-reroll. Sabli daily output record. Sabli daily checklist.